G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT. Welcome to the channel. Well, yinetetis putanas to Kangilo. In other words, it is going sick over here, ladies and gents. Lots and lots of cars and people. Now, it's been a while since I've done a video because of weather. So 2 weeks with no videos is not very good, is it? Anyway, I'm back. The weather's nice tonight. I don't think we're going to get any rain. So we're going to take a walk around and have a look at what's here, and I'll share it with you guys. So grab that nice icy cold beer, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. We have this incredible Viper, ladies and gents, but it's got a lot of attention, so I had to film it from the back. I can't get it in from the front. However, we can have a look at the engine bay through here. I won't even attempt the interior. It's got dark tints. Yeah. Check it out.
Finding parts with these days.
See?
It's the old story. It's not what you know till you know.
Here's the wheels. Looking at it from this angle. That's it. This video brought to you by our sponsors Aussie Loans, Classic Car Finance made easy, and Cool Wheels, an easy way to buy or sell a car. Ladies and gentlemen, check out this beautiful V-Dub. As we say hello to Tony over here. How are you, Tony? My dear sir.
Mr. George.
Nice to have you on board with me today.
Likewise, mate.
Have a bit of company for a change. I'm always on my own. So you can help me identify the cars because I always get them wrong.
Come on, man. You should know by now.
And I don't. Check out this Mustang. Looking beautiful. But Tony's got a mad one. Wait till that one comes out on the road. I looked at it today, there's not a swirl mark on it. Nothing. Like cream. Anyway. Beautiful BMW. In a nice black, shiny colour. Got a nice maroon Lexus. And I love the touch that he's got there with the wheels and those orange calipers. Looking nice. Yes, sir. We have a Ford XR8 or 6, Tony. What do you reckon? XR6 or 8? Beautiful. Yeah, that'll verify it there with the best. Nice gold Simmons. Lovely. And this XR8 is actually looking at us with its eyes. Yes, sir. Fairlane ZH. Beautiful. Ford Falcon XY GT.
Just in case anybody was listening, we want to pass the DJ box or the marquee in the middle here where all the trophies are. To the right hand side of the table.
Beautiful Ford Mustang. I love the number plate on it. Nice. Now this one is an XR6. Very nice with the white Simmons. A little look at the engine bay. Very nice. Got another one next to it. Another XR6. So 2 twins here, same colour. We have a GTP in a very nice shiny red colour. And the black combo looking very nice indeed. XE, ladies and gentlemen, another beautiful car. And yes, this guy has also put on that shaker. Shakers belong in these cars, in my opinion. Another 5-litre Ford Mustang GT in white, and I like those rims. Very nice colour. Check out this beautiful Holden Commodore, ladies and gents. Gold Simmons, the Australian flag, and of course my favourite badge of all, the Chevy. Nice. Another nice BMW. Nice touch with those Gold Simmons. Maybe I should put Gold Simmons on my black AMG 55. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. This is one beautiful utility Holden in a lovely grey colour. Looking schmick. We have a beautiful Commodore SS in a nice white. And another beautiful one in orange. Love this colour. This looks like my friend Andy's. Looks like it. It isn't it. Here's his Ace 5 litre number plate. This one's beautiful. Got a nice supercharger in there. Looking schmick. And of course, another Commodore in a matte grey. And we've got a rifle holding up the bonnet. And you can see the engine bay, Harrow Performance. Nice. Let's have a look at this Charger, eh? Beautiful black. Immaculate. Very nice. Got another Ford Mustang in the red and silver. Looking nice. Shelby. Very nice indeed. And over here we have my friend's Corvette. So we're looking at it backwards, but I will take a couple of steps back and show you the front of this. Just make sure I don't run anybody over. Look at that. What a beautiful car, eh? Lovely. Station wagon, Commodore. Yes indeed. And another new model in grey, station wagon again. We have a 1956 Chevy Bel Air in a beautiful red. Look at the shine on that, eh?
It's not the same, is it? You can't sit back and think, God, that looks nice. You don't look back at the couch and think, God, that looks nice.
A very solid car, put together beautifully. Check that out. Beautiful, look at that. Lovely. And this is a beauty, mate. This is one of my mates owns this, the Red Eye. Have a look at the engine, ladies and gents. Massive supercharger. Looking sick. A beautiful blue colour. Look at that. Check it out. Ladies and gents. Right, I think I've filmed the interior of this one before. But I will go to the driver's side and have a look at the clock as well. Look at the rims on it, eh? Sick. Oh, I've got a bit of a subwoofer set up in here, eh? Nice. 1 second. I'll be with you in a sec. Check it out. Beautiful. How mean that looks, eh, mate? It looks crazy. Love it. Yes. Yep. Yeah, that's it. That's all it is. No, I know. It's a lot more complex seatability. But if I was to get a Mustang, this is the one that I would love to have, mate. Now, I've spoken to the owner. We've talked about this car before. This beautiful Shelby. And, you know, what makes this car look incredible are those flared guards and those big wheels at the back. Looking sick. Love it. So yeah, these two cars, fantastic. Got a beautiful Tirana in a lovely green colour and the black. Look at the metallic paint on that, eh? Sick. Engine bay. Beautiful.
There you go, Shager.
There you go. Oh, sorry, Tone. Yes, lovely. Got a 4T bucket. Nice. Got this beautiful Ford XR8. XR. Hold on, let me get closer. Yeah, it is. Another lovely looking Ford Mustang in this maroon and white colour. I like it very much. Lovely hot rod. Another Ford Mustang over here. Now this one's a darker colour than yours, eh? Nice look and admire, but please don't touch. Yes, indeed.
Wait till I bring mine out.
Check out this XB coupe, ladies and gents. Check out the colour on this. Gunmetal grey with the black. Very nice. I like it. And then we have another. Pretty good. How are you? Thanks, mate. We have a nice Ford Mustang convertible, and he's got the roof down. If he drove like this tonight, he's very, very brave. We have a Ford Mustang over here, and grey colour, just like that XB, a little bit darker, very, very shiny, looking sick with all that chrome. And of course, the Tirana SLR, and its nice big massive wheels on the back. Love it. One incredible XYGT in a bluey purpley colour. Very nice. It's got this Hilux with some fancy lights going there. Very nice. And a crazy maroon and white hot rod. One of my favourite all-time cars, the SS Commodore. Always loved this VN model. Very nice. And check out this Chrysler, ladies and gents. Now, these remind me a bit of the P76, and I have called the P76 a Chrysler before, and I think that they resemble them a little bit, to be honest. And that's maybe why I had got them mixed up back in my first days of filming. Very nice. Very rare car to see. And we're looking at this beautiful HSV as we hear some sort of a beast rolling in. A beautiful Trans Am. Check it out. Nice. So we were up to this HSV with the nice grey wheels. And the Ford. Got a beautiful early. Sorry about that. That beast is making a fair bit of racket. Very nice though. A nice racket. Ford Cortina. Yes, indeed. Check out this crazy SLR 5000 with the Simmons looking sick. HT2 Commodore, and of course an invite to the engine bay. It's nice and warm under here. Now you people are at home watching this in your beautiful nice warm lounge rooms or bedrooms, nice warm TV, heater going. It's freezing out here, let me tell you, but this is a beautiful beast to look at. These cars are warming me up nicely as we look at this Valiant Regal. Looking sick. And we have my buddy George over here. George,
Hi,
nice to see you again. How are you, mate?
Good yourself. Nice to
Very
see you
good to
again.
see you. Nice to see your beast looking
It's still
mint
going
once
right,
again.
and with some luck, in the end of the month we go down to Gosford where they're doing the other one, Cars Under the Star.
Beautiful.
Hopefully it's not
Lovely.
raining and we're having a good day up there.
That's it. Nice to see you again, buddy.
Possibly
Fantastic.
if it's on Thursday in the Marrickville, the
Oh
historic
yes,
thing.
yes. It's hard for me to get to those because I work. But
Yeah.
mate, when I get my next day off, I'll try and go to those ones because they're
I
not far
haven't
from me.
seen advertising, but I got told it's next Thursday, so we'll see.
That's it.
I don't
All right,
mind.
buddy.
Good.
Nice seeing you again.
Nice to talk to you. I see you around.
100%. Love this thing. This beautiful Datsun, ladies and gents. We've had a close-up look of this before. And over here we have a Gemini in a beautiful blue. Check out this neat engine bay, eh? Nothing shown but engine. No wires, no nothing. Sick. And of course next to it we have another XR6 turbo in a beautiful blue. Ford F-150 Ute, looking wild. We've got the Holden Commodore VK, another late model XR6, looking very, very shiny in this beautiful black Duco. Tirana SLR 5000, another black and white one, looking sick. And I love this combination green and black on this GTS Monaro 4-door. Beautiful engine bay. A beautifully presented car. Nice. Another fantastic looking blue Holden 1962 model, 63. Loving the colour on this beautiful SS Commodore. Sweet colour, yes. Got the VL Commodore. Nice stock standard car. And another immaculate one next to it. Beautifully presented. We have the yellow GTSR, the first model by HSV. The first GTSR model, I should say. Looking sick. Very early model, very early model Ford Fairlane, ladies and gents. What a sick looking car this is, eh? Look at that. That blue colour and the white looks sick. And another full immaculate, brand new looking Chevy Bel Air 1957 model. Sick, two-door. And the lovely looking orange WRX. Just give you a bit of a look at what's going on here. Just get a bit of a whole view. That's this side of the car park. So we start off with these beautiful beasts, ladies and gents. Check them all out. How immaculate these things are presented. Cars these days are just presented in a whole different way, like brand new, brand spanking new. Every car is just presented brilliantly. Check them all out, mate. This Ford Capri. A beautiful Chevy rolling in. Check that out, ladies and gents. XA Fairmont. Holden Commodore. And another GTS in a beautiful silver colour. As I hear something coming in behind me. Yeah, check out the supercharger over here, ladies and gents. As I hear GDR rolling in with a big engine, big cam, orange, black and red, lovely combo. Sick. Check it out. Another Wild SS Commodore, and again a lovely supercharger. Another SS, silver and gold combo, lovely. And another one in black. Another SLR 5000. All these cars are looking sick. Beautiful. Check out this Chevy. Silver Beauty 57. 4-door. Twin carby sticking out of the bonnet. Sick. Wild. And another one of my favourite American cars, a Camaro. Looking beautiful. Love it. Ladies and gentlemen, check out this beautiful 69 Oldsmobile. Beautiful Oldsmobile. 442 engine in it, eh? I've got the owner here.
It's got a 455 big block in it.
455 big block. No mucking around. I heard it roll in and it sounded insane. Sick. Look at that, ladies and gents. What a paint job. Beautiful colour. And you've got the beautiful black vinyl roof on it. Got those nice wheels. Have a look at the interior as much as we can. Looking wild.
Bill!
Look at that. Now they do resemble the Chevelles, but it's an Oldsmobile. Beautiful. Check this out, ladies and gents. Got a race setup over here, drag wheels, and no mucking around. Have a look inside. Beautiful drag car. Nice to see something like this. Got over here, and we even filmed that earlier.
Purchased tickets before. Those tickets are still viable. Those tickets are still legit. There is nothing dodgy about this whatsoever. Obviously,
check out this lovely GDR XU1 in a beautiful silver and black combination.
mental health and suicidal
Sick.
prevention is also
Have a look at that
big.
engine bay. Check that out, eh? Doesn't it look wild? Such a light body with a beautiful beastie engine like this. What a combination. Yeah, how are you, man?
What our
All
beast
good?
down there tonight?
What car have you got?
Got the R8, the blue one.
The R8? Yeah, oh yes. I'll be there very shortly.
Thanks, Luke. I just wanted you to move the car forward.
Check that out, ladies and gents. It's beautiful Tirana.
The Mustang, the 66 Mustang, ladies and gentlemen, go and check it out. There's tickets still available for it. It's an awesome car.
Looking wild. And of course, we have the Walkinshaw HSV. Sick car.
On our table, there is some flyers for some events that we're doing on this month.
And a Veal next to it. Standard brother of the Walkie.
Plenty to do. Car park's almost full, ladies and gentlemen. That's both sides of the fence.
Lovely
The car
silver
park's almost full.
Tirana.
We're almost at our 330 car capacity that we can actually take. All right. So.
A lovely
I'm
hot
just gonna
rod.
leave you guys alone. I think I've driven enough and talk to you guys later. Done.
And this is my friend's HSV Holden Commodore R8. A lovely car, mate. One of my, this, if not my favourite model of the HSVs. These beautiful VEs. Love it. Looking smick. Check out the interior, hey? Brand new still. Now these cars aren't that old, but this car is presented beautifully, full immaculate. Oh, I love this thing, beautiful colour. Now right here next to it we've got a nice 57 Chevy in a beautiful red colour, looking sweet with all the chrome and the red bits, looking wild. Check it out. Look at the Duco on this as I'm walking. Just brilliant. As we have a rotary rolling in. Sounding nice and neat. As we continue to look at the Chevy. Looking wild. Yes, indeed. And another one next to it. This one is a 55 model. Beautiful, solid car. Sick. And Cordia, Mitsubishi Cordia Turbo. Yes, indeed. I remember when these came out, and they were very, very popular indeed. My neighbour Peter used to have one of these in red. Another beautiful Ford with the blue white combo. And of course, this lovely XD Ford Fairmont. I love this maroon and beige colour with those gold Simmons. It looks sick. I love it. And I have to say this BMW is a beauty. I've seen this on the road. It's got some neon lights lining up on the bottom, looking very, very nice. And I love the engine with this green lighting on it, changing beautifully. This nice LED light just here, doing the work. Looking sick. And of course, one of my favourite cars that I see at the meets, always loved this particular car over here. This Monaro GTS in the gold. Looking beautiful. Yeah, the owner's a great guy as well. Always gives you the thumbs up. Beautiful. Check out this Rexy, ladies and gents. Heavily modded. Looking very, very sweet. Have a look at the engine bay. And of course, those wheels. The white Duco. And look at the back, mate. Look at the camber on that, huh? Look at that wheel, eh? Check it out. Silver, grey and gold. Wild. Big wing on the back. And yes, indeed, one mean looking car, indeed. Check this out, ladies and gents. Beautiful. It's another rotary that rolls in. Check it out, this beautiful Mazda, ladies and gents. What a beauty. Love the Leon lights on the bottom as well. Giving it a beautiful touch. We've got the Kia Stinger GT. Looking sick. And of course another red Ford Mustang, looking nice and wild. And another one next to it in red. Beautiful. Monaro GTS 4-door. We've got this lovely Porsche, ladies and gents. We've seen this at a few of the car shows. Looking nice. We have spoken to the owner. We have spoken to the owner before. And this car is just left in original condition. And kudos to the owner. You can tell he drives it all the time. Very happy. Oh, and here he is, ladies and gents. Check it out, ladies and gents. A daily driven car and enjoyed on the street. And still in immaculate condition. Thank you very much for showing us the car once again. Always a pleasure seeing this at the shows. Oh yeah? Yep. Beautiful. So ladies and gents, you can go back and have a look at a couple of the videos from before this one, and you can have a look at the bonnet, how it was and how it is now. You can have a look at the change. Beautiful. So this beautiful XY GT, and he's obviously been to CUDA 400. And so yes, I've got my CUDA 400 t-shirt on as well. Please show that. So this lovely Ford Falcon XY GT, like I said, and another one next to it. Now this one's got the black striping, and the one next to it has got the gold striping and globes, of course, whereas the one over here has got modded chrome nice wheels. Yes, looking nice. Of course, an XE ESP 4.9 litre. How we going? But we know there's no 4.9 litre in this, but we'll keep that a mystery. Check it out. Of course, another beautiful Ute Commodore SS. And another beauty, this one at HSV Maloo in yellow. Check out this Ford, ladies and gents. Check out the turbo. What a massive turbo on this thing, eh? Check it out. Beautiful engine bay. Looking wild. This thing's got some serious grunt, I'll tell you that. I've got another beauty next to it in blue. So two beautiful beasts together. And of course another XU, not just a Tirana. Standard 3.3 litre engine. Lovely. Presented in stock standard condition. Check out this beautiful colour, ladies and gentlemen. That's a nice colour, eh? The gold and the green and the orange, mate. Just having those two cars next to each other makes me feel like having some cordial, mate. Either lime or orange. Looking beautiful. Love these two colours. Say again? Yeah, oh yeah, I remember those Sunny Boys. Yes, I wish they came back. They don't sell those anymore, do they? No. Mate, all the good stuff's gone. All the youngsters mixed out. Beautiful. Check out this lovely Holden Ute, ladies and gentlemen. She is a beauty. Shining like a star in white. Yes, indeed. And another nice ready orange duty SLR Tirana. Beautiful wide wheels on the back. So you can see that orangey red and that. Nice. GTS Ute. And something behind me is knocking on the door.
How do I get out?
We've got just trying to get out this bloke in the field. Bit of a barn find, I reckon. Turbo in that, that's for sure. As we hone in on this beautiful Ute GTS. Check it out. Have to say I love this VK Commodore. Beautiful. Have another little look at the engine bay. Yes, indeed. Ford Falcon GT in Ute formation. Lovely. And another Ute, this time a Commodore. Check that out. Nice. Another Royal Toyota. Suzuki Swift, I doubt that's part of this place. And check out this rotary, ladies and gents. Another beauty over here with the black. How you going? All good? No, that's all right.
You on YouTube, brother.
Thank you very much, my
Thank
dear
you
sir.
for all the
I
good
appreciate
footage.
it. Cheers. Check it out, ladies and gents. What a beautiful car this is. Look at the shine on it. The gold and the black, you can never beat that combination. And all that beautiful polished engine, looking sick. Look at the engine bay. How are you? Pretty good yourself? All good? Good. That's the way. She's a beauty. Look at the dish on that, huh? Nice. The badging. Bit of the interior, look at this. Look how immaculate that is, ladies and gents. What a beauty. Look at the door cards, huh? Nice. Fantastic. Love it. Very nice indeed. Check out this Valiant, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. Standard condition. Looking sweet. Eso does this beautiful VL Calais in the black and silver combination. Looking sick. Check that out, ladies and gents. Taking off, looking for a spot. Check out this rare beast, ladies and gents. A two-door Cortina. Coupe. Yes, sir. Check it out. Yes, indeed. This video brought to you by our sponsors Aussie Loans, Classic Car Finance made easy, and Cool Wheels, an easy way to buy or sell a car. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed that part one of this walk around. I'm going to go and do part two very shortly, the other car park. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to pound that subscribe button, punch that notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video of the... Start again.